Hello and welcome to your definitive guide to a career in the dynamic world of aviation. The path from enthusiast to paid professional is complex, costly and highly regulated. My goal is to cut through that complexity. That's why I created the Aviation Career Guide series, a meticulously designed collection of roadmaps that ensure every hour and every dollar you spend moves you directly toward your goal. We're going to explore exactly how these guides can transform your passion into a structured career plan organized across 4 critical sectors. The biggest challenge isn't passing the final exam, it's figuring out the first step and avoiding the costly detours. Most aspiring aviators struggle with confusing licensing paths: PPL, ATPL, CPL, intense medical requirements and getting filtered out by automated application systems. Our guides are your strategic shield against these errors. Section 1. How to start a career in the cockpit. Pilot and flight attendant guides. This section is dedicated to the front line, the pilots and cabin crew who share responsibility for every flight. My guides on pilot and flight attendant careers provide the definitive progression. For the pilot, you'll find the sequential roadmap to every license, starting with your foundational PPL, moving through the instrument rating IR, achieving your commercial pilot license CPL, and ultimately the airline transport pilot license ATPL. We detail the entire training pipeline, including how to select an FAA Part 141 or EASAATO school, and the most effective ways to build the necessary flight hours, often through a CFI rating. For cabin crew, you get clarity on the specific eligibility criteria for both the UK CAA and the USA FAA. We cover the strict requirements from the reach test and aeromedical certificate to mastering the assessment day group tasks and coping with the challenge of shift work and jet lag. We ensure you understand the high-stakes hiring process, mastering the STAR method for interviews and what to expect in the simulator evaluation. Section 2. Aircraft Engineering and Maintenance, FAAA and P and EASA, Part 66, Career Roadmaps. Next, we look at the bedrock of safety, maintenance. The guides in this section are for those who want to be the guardians of airworthiness. We demystify the 2 key regulatory pathways, the European EASA, Part 66 license, LAE, and the US FAA Airframe and Power Plant, A and P, certification. You'll receive a detailed breakdown of the required technical curriculum, covering everything from complex engine propulsion systems and avionics troubleshooting to structural integrity. The guides emphasize the crucial safety practices you must master: tool control, FOD prevention, interpreting complex maintenance manuals, AMM, and understanding your legal responsibility when issuing a Certificate of Release to Service, CRS. We detail the structure of the exams, the written, oral and practical tests, and the career progression from line maintenance to quality assurance auditor or technical instructor. Section 3, Air Traffic Control and Airport Management, Ground Operations Career Guides. This section is for those who want to manage the network and logistics from the ground. My guides cover the critical roles that ensure predictable air travel. You will master the flight dispatcher career, including the process for obtaining your FAA Dispatcher Certification or EASAFOO license. We teach you the core technical responsibilities, sharing joint operational control with the pilot, managing NOTAMs, and performing precise fuel planning using systems like ACARS. Beyond dispatch, these guides show you the path to becoming an Air Traffic Controller ATC and specializing in airport operations management. You'll understand how to coordinate with ground operations, manage turnaround efficiency, and excel in airport-based customer service roles. This is your roadmap to managing the intricate balance between safety and efficiency in the world's most sophisticated logistical systems. Section 4, Aviation Regulation and Strategy, Safety, Logistics and Administration Careers. Finally, this sector addresses the high-level oversight and strategy roles that dictate the future of the industry. These guides focus on professions dedicated to preventing future incidents and managing global resources. You'll find career pathways into safety inspection and air accident investigation, roles that require technical depth and meticulous analysis to enforce compliance and determine root causes. We cover careers in crew planning and logistics, showing you how to manage complex flight time limitations, FTL, and resources for major airlines. This section is for those who want to leverage their practical knowledge into management, compliance, and strategy, ensuring regulatory adherence and influencing the EASA/FAA policy landscape. Your success in aviation relies on discipline, knowledge, and a plan. My Aviation Career Guides provide the complete strategic roadmap you need to conquer the challenges of training and secure your future. Stop leaving your career to chance. Secure your complete roadmap now. Visit aviationcareerguides.com. Let's make your aviation career happen.